Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use ChatGPT to optimize your LinkedIn profile. At first, go to Google and search for ChatGPT and then click on this first one and then go to try ChatGPT. Make sure this is going to take some time depending on your net connection and also the traffic on ChatGPT, but once it does, just write me a LinkedIn profile like so. Now we wait. So basically now what ChatGPT did was give me an example of what you can use. Of course, you're going to remove all of this information with your own, but if you just want one for yourself, just type in write me an LinkedIn profile and then put some of your information like I have, and then just press enter, and it's going to take a few more time to load. And you can see that ChatGPT is just writing me a LinkedIn profile that once it does, you can just copy it and of course remove it with some of your information and make sure it is completely true. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.